Hello everyone. November 1st, we went down to 33 degrees a couple of nights ago, and that finished off the sweet potato plants. And I'm dying to find out what's going on, so I'm going to go after one of them. I'm going to go after this first one right here, see what's happening. So I'm going to cut the vines out so we can see what we're doing. Remember, all of these were planted with the little leftover, tiny little tubers left over from last year. We can dump some of it out. Oh man! Alright, got to start here. Here's some of my wire mesh on the bottom. That looks like that works. I haven't seen any bugs getting any signs of any vermin yet. Soil is still really wet. Here's the rest of the mesh screen that I put on. That obviously worked really well. So we'll repeat that next year. I've got a lot of potatoes, but they're not filled. That one's a little better. They're not filled in real well. Alright, we're going to tackle a second tub. Yeah, this one looks like a good start. Look at that. Another nice one right beside it. Another nice one. Okay, one thing I'm noticing is that these square containers are smaller than this big round one here. And as a result, it looks like they're more, they don't have as much room to grow. Kind of make them long and skinny. There's a nice one. Another one. And roundy, gnarly things. That's what I mean about not having the, maybe not enough room to run. See, they end up being curved. Nice sweet potato though. And another nice one. This bends a lot better than that other one. This one is several weeks old. So, let me see if I can lift this and show you what the first two bins have. All total here. So, as you can see, we've got a real nice start on a big old harvest. Look at the size of those. That second tub really had some nice big ones. Really, really nice. Wow. So, here's 2 tubs. I got 1, 2, 3 more tubs to go. Alright, let's go ahead and go with this big one. This is the type of tub I used last year. I did 3 of these tubs. Critters got into one of them and ate all the sweet potatoes. The other 2 tubs gave me 42 pounds or something like that. More than 40 pounds. Obviously the bigger container is better. Okay. Wow, there's the first one out. What a nice sweet potato. Here's my next one. Check it out. And my next one. Skinny one. Another skinny one. There's a nice one. Skinny. There's a beautiful sweet potato. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Check it out. And we're going to do it again. Look at this one. Wow. Oh, folks, look at this one. Oh, man. And this behemoth. Another nice one. Look at these. More. And then the watermelon sweet potato. How's that for a sweet potato? What do you think? How's that for a sweet potato? And another big one. Another one. All right, 3 tubs done. 2 tubs left to do. Look at that thing. Look at these sweet potatoes. Check them out. 2 more tubs to go. Nice big one. More. When I go and try and get the full weights, here's a big tub full of them. And here's a big pile here. So this is quite a hoard. I wish they were bigger, but I'm really pleased. It's amazing what I've got out of just a couple of tubs. 5 tubs. I've got to have 60 to 100 pounds, but we'll wait till tomorrow and see how they dry up. So sweet potatoes, zone 7, November 3rd right now for picking the last 2 tubs. These were put out as early as it was really hot, so they've been going for, I guess, 5 months. I'll do this again next year. Thank you for watching.